Good morning. It is Sunday. I think it's the 28th of June, and it's early on a Sunday morning. I was just over putting a donation of table and chairs into the garden. So from Margaret Loney, who's a local person. She also gave us some really nice ornaments too, which we'll put out on a nice rainy day. So it's just another kind of a weekly update, even though it's raining, about the garden. So I'm at the vegetable patch. Potatoes are doing well, broccoli's doing well, cabbage is doing well, lettuces are kind of okay. I need to fill up more with compost soon. Oh, potatoes are doing well. Did I mention them? It's early in the morning, I have no idea. So they'll get topped up soon as well. And we've got another few things just to put in soon into the vegetable patch, just to let them grow a bit more and so that they can go out to the community when and if they grow. We're doing better this year. Less things have been eaten by local wildlife. Having the raised beds from B&Q, which were £16 plus the £5 lining, so £21 for quite a good size of a vegetable patch, a flower patch or a flower bed. So get two of those. Had the grass cut by David from DW Johnson and Sons, son rather. He did that on Thursday. It now means that we can continue with the grass cutting with the moors kindly donated by Ian Worrell from GGM Landscapes. Just with the lockdown we weren't able to come over and cut the grass as often as we would. This is our test wildflower patch, which I've shown you before. It's taken 2 years for it to get like this. The rain's pushing it down, but it's actually looking really good. There's some colour as well with the red campion and a few other things in the oxeye daisy. I think that's one stuff. I always get confused. There's wild carrot and other things there. The fairy village is still here. Again, it's just with lack of grass cutting. We'll get this done. It's trimmed and tidied up in the next week. We've got more fairies moving in soon, and some other guests who are going to visit or maybe stay if they like it. So that will get tidied up and sorted out. So everything is actually doing really well. We're still liking our little donated feeders and bird houses that we get from some local children mostly that have been making them. So it's been quite good to see them wanting to put things in the garden as well. This one was filled up yesterday afternoon, so it'll get filled up later. For those that like feeding the birds here, and there's more bird seed in the metal container. And we got new bird seed the other day. It's also just to say, Joan Lanigan has been doing a lot of litter picking in the wider area of the park as well as here. And we do have some weeding to do. Some of us we might keep now that we've managed to see what it looks like in the second year. And obviously anything jaggy nettily with the mutant roses that are around, we'll get those trimmed back really well. So that's something you haven't seen before. So that's just how it is just now. Now that I would do here too. If anyone ever just wants to come down and do a little bit of tidying up, you're more than welcome. You probably know as well as you do sometimes what's a weed and what isn't. So, if you think something looks out of place, like the grasses, we don't mind some of them, but if it's, if you think it's spoiling a view, by all means, remove it. Just thinking what else. All in all, it's doing not too bad. it is looking quite colourful. We did feel that we were neglecting it a little bit, but that's really not been the case at all. It's just been circumstances that I think we're all aware of. This not the flower bed is the Erskine veterans cottages flower beds. They had donated all the plants that are here, and there's a really nice lemon thyme down there which smells just wow, and there's some lavender and other bits and pieces too. This is the Erskine boat. This is called the Daisy Lucy. It'll get painted, repainted at some point. Again, it's pointing towards the Erskine, and it's actually in memory of one of the Erskine veterans called Jimmy, who died a few weeks ago. He was in the Royal Navy and he was such a lovely person. So we named this boat the Daisy Lucy. Lucy is a young girl who lives locally who Jimmy built up a rapport with. Lucy was going down to Erskine Home as part of her Erskine Community Nursery group to have nursery with the residents at Erskine Home, and Jimmy and Lucy got on so well. So the Daisy part is Jimmy's part because his dad had a boat called Daisy. So we thought it would be nice to call it Daisy Lucy. As I said, it will get spruced up again just when we can get the time to, and less rain to do it. Apart from that, everything's looking absolutely fine. As I said, just a bit of strimming and tidying up. We've got some new things coming in soon. So yeah, there'll be changes. Hopefully this year we'll get the labyrinth built. We had to hold up with all the rain we had over winter and then COVID. But we've got a company that are enthusiastically wanting to do it and make it larger than we had planned, which is great because it will be fully wheelchair accessible, which is fantastic. So that's it. It's rainy. It's actually nice because it's cooler and it's watching everything, and we just can't complain about the rain. Have a good Sunday.